First, take out of all items from the package.
Package includes monitor, power cord with relay, cigarette lighter adapter, camera, antenna, T-taps and bracket.
Pick up the monitor. Take out the bracket. Follow my operation.
Pass the screw through the ball and get the ball in the ball.
Tighten the screws. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screws on the side. Align the bracket with the slot on the back of the monitor and snap it in. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screws on the side. You can tear off the protective film on the bottom and paste it to the dashboard. And pull down the buckle. Mount the antenna on the monitor. Pick up the camera.
This is a hose antenna, please don't cut it. This is a DC connector. Cut the thin white wire on the extension cable of the camera. The LED light of the camera doesn't light up.
The camera angle can be adjusted flexibly. Tear off the protective film of the camera before use. Use a tool to loosen the screw. The power cable with relay is used to connect the camera. The power cord without relay is used to connect the monitor. Now merge the two thin red wires of the power cord. Then merge the two thin black wires of the power cord. Plus sign is positive, minus is negative.
Insert the merged red wire into the positive, plus, slot of the green connector. Insert the merged black wire into the minus, slot of the green connector.
Tighten the screw. Please don't let the positive and negative electrodes touch. Connect the power cable with relay to the camera. Connect the power cable without relay to the monitor. Connect the cigarette lighter to the green connector. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appear on the screen. Hold the camera sensor, you can see the LED light. Cut the thin white wire on the extension cable of the camera. The LED light of the camera doesn't light up. If you want the LED light to light up, you can merge the thin white wires to remove the outer rubber. The testing finished. Now the wiring for the green connector. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet. Connect the power cable with relay to the camera.
The red wire is connected to the positive pole of the reversing lights, tail lights, and license plate lights. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the reversing light, tail light, and license plate light.
The monitor lights up and the image appear on the screen. Touch the up key to turn on the guideline. When the H appear on the screen.
Touch the down key to adjust the height of the guidelines. Touch the up key when the W appear on the screen. Touch the down key to adjust the width of the guidelines. Touch the up key when the M appear on the screen.
Touch the down key to move the guidelines left and right. Touch the up key to turn off the guideline. Touch the up key again to turn on the guideline. Touch the M key, the letters disappear. Touch the M key to enter the menu mode. The first icon is used for pair signal. Touch the up or down key to switch to the picture. Touch the M key to confirm. Touch the M key, the icon turns red. Touch the up or down key to adjust the brightness. Touch the M key to confirm.
Touch the up or down key to switch to the contrast. Touch the M key to confirm.
Touch the up or down key to adjust the contrast. Touch the M key to confirm.
Touch the up or down key to switch to the hue. Touch the M key to confirm. Touch the up or down key to adjust the hue. Touch the M key to confirm. Touch the ESC key to return to the previous interface. Touch the up or down key to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the M key to confirm.
Touch the up or down key to switch image mode you need. Touch the M key to confirm. Touch the up or down key to switch to the system. Touch the M key to confirm. Touch the M key, the icon turns red. Touch the up or down key to select the language you need. Touch the M key to confirm. After the auto scan is turned on, the camera channel will automatically switch.
After 5 seconds, the system automatically exits the menu mode.
Touch the power key to turn off on the screen.
Touch the down key to switch to the CAM2 channel. Touch the down key again to switch to the split mode. Touch the down key again to switch to the CAM1 channel. Touch the down key to switch to the CAM2 channel.
Touch the M key to enter the menu mode. Touch the M key to enter pairing countdown.
Turn off the monitor's power and quickly turn on.
The image appears on the monitor, indicating that the pairing is successful. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.